Here are the headlines moving markets today. 12 companies released their financial results, including Khiron Life Sciences, Dixie Brands, and Planet 13. Khiron Life Sciences reported a net loss of $19.8 million, with a 2018 revenue of $892,000, ending on a cash position of $19 million. Dixie Brands reported a net loss of $21.3 million, with a 2018 revenue of $5.8 million, and an ending cash position of $18.4 million. Planet 13 had a net loss of $11.5 million in 2018, with a $21.2 million revenue and an ending cash position of $19.4 million. As well as its fiscal year-end results, Khiron Life Sciences also provided a corporate update. The company secured approximately $40 million of investment capital for cultivation site construction, product development, and distribution. Khiron's geographic footprint includes Colombia, Mexico, Chile, Peru, Uruguay, and Italy. The company generated its first revenue in Q4 2018 with the commercialization of the Quita brand of cosmeceutical products. The company also reported an increased potential cultivation capacity to 220 tons per annum through organic growth and pending acquisitions. Curaleaf Holdings Inc. announced it has signed a definitive agreement to acquire the state-regulated cannabis business of CURA Partners Inc., owners of the Select brand. The agreement is an all-stock transaction valued at 1.27 billion Canadian dollars. The acquisition includes Select's manufacturing, processing, distribution, marketing, and retailing operations, and all adult-use cannabis products marketed under the Select brand name, including all intellectual property. Based in Portland, Oregon, Select is in more than 900 retailers across California, Arizona, Oregon, and Nevada. The Green Organic Dutchman Holdings Limited announced in conjunction with Epicin Medicinals the opening of its second legal cannabis retail store in Jamaica. Located on Montego Bay's Hip Strip, the flagship location will open for business on May 4th, 2019. Sprightly Canada Inc. and OCC Holdings Limited, an affiliate of Moosehead Breweries Limited, announced that they have entered into a definitive agreement to form an exclusive joint venture to develop, produce, and market non-alcoholic cannabis-infused beverages in Canada. The companies will use Sprightly's naturally produced water-soluble cannabinoids, known as Infused 2.0, to develop a line of cannabis beverages. The joint venture is structured as a 50-50 equity ownership. Matthew Oland, one of Moosehead's senior executives and Oland family member, will lead the joint venture as Chief Executive Officer. Wayland Group Corp announced that it will be delayed in its filings of its audited annual financial statements for the year ending on December 31st, 2018. The additional time is required to permit the company and its auditors to complete work and inquiries in connection with the audit of the company's 2018 financial statements. Fivita Holdings Inc. announced it has entered into a definitive agreement to acquire Wecala.com Inc., a Canadian technology firm. Fivita will be acquiring an online platform for cannabis information, generating over 400,000 average monthly users, creating a consumer packaged goods company with direct-to-consumer access via Wecala.com. The all-share transaction is worth approximately $22.5 million Canadian and is expected to close on or before May 31st, 2019. Wecala.com will become the wholly owned subsidiary of Fivita. And that's your news for today.